Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a super cute, super easy, curly, messy bun for all my curly haired girls. So how I curl my hair, I use this BELLAMI like 0.75 inch, I think it is, curling iron. I keep it on 370 degrees. And I also use heat protectant. I use like a lotion and then a spray. And then I just wrap my hair around it as normal and just release it, and you get a really pretty tight little curl. So then I always twist it around my finger, and then I just repeat, but I usually do it in an opposite direction, and then I twist it around my finger and I keep going. So I always do different size curls all around my head just so it looks a little bit more natural. But yeah, this is what I do when I have these curly locks. So once you're done, you should have nice spiral curls like this. So I'm going to take this ion serum, put it throughout my hair, and then I'm going to take my curls and I'm going to pull them apart. So they're not so tight and together looking, they're more spread out. I love doing it this way. You can see the difference here. So I just do it to both sides. I don't use a brush, and I don't recommend using a brush because that's how you lose your curls and you get frizzy hair. So then I just did the same thing to my BELLAMI extensions, and I'm just going to put those in the back of my head to make my bun a little bit more bigger. So then I just parted my hair in the middle, and I left a little bit of bangs out on each side. And then I'm just going to take this hair tie from Sally Beauty, and I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. Then I'm going to take a donut maker and I'm going to pull my hair through it. And then I'm going to take my hair and just kind of spread it out and then wrap it around that donut maker. And then I'm just going to start bobby pinning sections as I'm taking my hair and spreading it around that donut. So you can see I'm taking hair now in the opposite direction, and then I'm bobby pinning that into place. You don't want it to be perfect looking, you want it to be messy. So again, just taking hair, wrapping it around the donut maker, and then bobby pinning everything into place. So then I found this super cute headband from Pink Pewter. It ties in the back, and then that's it. So this is the completed look. Super cute for my curly head girls. The back of it, just as cute. When girls don't show the back of their hair when they do hairstyles, I'm like, sketch. But anyways, hope you guys like this. See ya in my next video. Bye.